Are you tired of YouTube suggesting videos you have zero interest in watching? Today, I'll show you exactly how to reset and customize your YouTube recommendations. Did you know YouTube's algorithm uses over 80 billion data points every day to suggest videos? With so much information, you would think recommendations would always be perfect, but they are often far from it. So, why does YouTube keep suggesting irrelevant content? It all comes down to your watch history, search history, likes, subscriptions, and even your dislikes. Let's dive straight into how you can completely reset your YouTube recommendations. First up, clearing your watch and search history. It's easier than you think. Simply navigate to your settings and click on Clear Watch History and Clear Search History. But wait, there's more to it. You can also pause to YouTube history to stop unwanted suggestions in the future. Even accidentally clicked on a random video and suddenly your feed is flooded with similar content? Don't worry, marking videos as not interested can significantly improve your recommendations. Just tap the three-dot menu next to any unwanted video and select Not Interested. YouTube learns quickly. After a few selections, you will see immediate improvements. Here's a pro tip. Reviewing your liked videos can also help fine-tune your recommendations. Removing likes from irrelevant video signals YouTube to stop recommending similar content. Unsubscribing from channels you no longer enjoy can also dramatically reshape your recommendations. But what if you want a completely fresh start? Creating a new YouTube account or separate channels from different interests is a fantastic solution. Did you know using incognito mode prevents your activities from influencing your recommendations? This is ideal if you are exploring new content without affecting your main account's algorithm. Another powerful tool is playlists. Creating playlists tell YouTube exactly what you love to watch. Now let's tackle a common myth. Resetting recommendations won't erase all personalization permanently. YouTube quickly adapts and learns your preferences again. But be cautious. Over-resetting can temporarily decrease recommendations accuracy. How long does it take for recommendations to fully update after resetting? Typically, you will notice major changes within a few days of active use. And don't worry, resetting recommendations won't affect your YouTube Premium subscription at all. Still frustrated by irrelevant videos popping up occasionally? Consistently using the Not Interested button is the key. Consistency is your friend here. Let's briefly recap. Clearing history, managing likes, dislikes, and subscriptions, and marking videos as not interested are crucial. Advanced users should consider separate accounts, playlists, and incognito browsing. But is resetting your recommendations really worth it? Absolutely. Better recommendations mean a far more enjoyable viewing experience. Let me share a quick story. One viewer reset their recommendations and saw their engagement with YouTube skyrocket overnight. They found content they genuinely loved, transforming their entire experience. It's amazing how small changes in settings can create significant improvements. Regularly managing your YouTube preferences can genuinely boost your enjoyment of the platform. But be cautious not to lose beneficial recommendations by overdoing it. Maintaining balance is essential to avoid starting from scratch repeatedly. Ever wondered if YouTube listens through your phone mic for suggestion? Good news, it doesn't, but it's great at predicting interest based on your interactions. So, take control, tell YouTube exactly what you want to see. Don't settle for mediocre suggestions when customization is so simple. Small actions today can lead to significantly improved recommendations tomorrow. Your YouTube experience should always match your personal preferences perfectly. Remember, proactive management of your account greatly enhances your viewing pleasure. Did this video clear up how you can reset and refine your recommendations? Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your YouTube feed. Subscribe now to stay updated with the best tech tips for an optimized online experience.